Welcome to the Health First podcast, the #1 podcast for workplace wellness. I'm your host, Gabriel, and in today's episode, we'll be discussing the power of sociability and its effects on well-being within the organization. Whether you're a seasoned professional or new to the industry, stick around and discover simple strategies to build stronger workplace relationships, making your workplace healthier, happier, and a place you look forward to going through every day. So why is sociability important in the workplace? Social connections within an organization play an essential role in preventing mental health problems. When employees feel socially connected to coworkers, it actually aids in good mental health, reducing risk of loneliness and isolation. Research finds that support from team members within organizations has strong correlations on employee mental health. Another reason is, as social beings, humans require social connection and positive working environments that positively influence mental health. When social support and gratification is higher within an organization, psychological distress is reduced. Studies suggest longer duration of sufficient relationships have greater effects in workplace and individual psychological well-being. Now that we know why building social relationship is important, you might be wondering, how can I actually improve my social habits at work? At Health First Podcast, we've created ConnectWell, a 5-week workplace-based challenge utilizing both digital application and in-person interactions to promote social interaction and building intentional engagement among the organization. The program begins with short pre-programmed digital surveys measuring employees' workplace connection, sense of belonging, and overall mental well-being. In the weeks to follow, employees will participate in different activities such as coffee chats with guided icebreaker questions, organization-wide potlucks to share food and culture, and anonymous gratitude challenges where individuals recognize one another to improve overall sociability. At the end of the 5 weeks, a post-program survey is to be completed to compare results and measure overall behavior change and well-being within the organization. Guided by the trans-theoretical model of behavior change, the challenge aims to improve mental well-being, sense of belonging, workplace culture, and overall workplace efficiency. By incorporating weekly goal setting, self-monitoring, social collaborations, and gamification to motivate engagement, ConnectWell shows how small, intentional actions create a more connected, supportive, and thriving workplace. Through pre- and post-conduct survey data analysis, we can support overall workplace engagement, mental well-being, and just general retention among employees. As we wrap up today's episode, let's just have a look back at what we've learned. We discussed how social connections are essential for mental health prevention, reducing risk of loneliness and isolation. We also explored how a strong sense of belonging within an organization creates impactful changes on overall well-being. Finally, we introduced ConnectWell, a 5-week workplace-based challenge designed to strengthen workplace culture through activities such as coffee chats with guided icebreaker questions, organization-wide potlucks to share food and culture, and anonymous gratitude recognition while utilizing digital applications to monitor engagement and outcomes of pre- and post surveys. Overall, being social in the workplace isn't just about being polite and kind. It's about creating environments that make sure you feel safe and important and true to self. Thank you for listening to this week's episode of the Health First podcast. Please join us next week as we continue our well-being journey. Always put your health first.